So this is my dashboard. So I earned 461 naira here, and I have a pending balance of 500 naira and 78. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple website that you can make at least 3,000 naira every single day without investment. So what you need to do is to have your smartphone and a good data connection. So if you have that, you can make at least 3,000 naira every single day in this secret website that I'm going to show you in this video. So before I continue to the video, my name is Abubakar and this is my channel. So what I do, I go out there, find different strategies and different ways to make money online, and if they work to me, I come here to this channel and share it with you guys. And if you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so in order to get amazing content like this. And do me a favor by liking this video and leave a comment in the comment section. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel. I'm going to leave the link of that particular channel in the description of this video, where I share different more ideas and different strategies to make money online. So without more talk, let's dive into the video. So what you're going to do is to go to your browser and type this particular keyword. So the name of this particular website that we want to use in this video is Naira Workers. So as you can see right here, it's loading. So I have just logged into my account. So this is me. Welcome, Garba Abubakar. So this is my username. So what you are going to do, if you register with this Naira Workers, if you need to post a job, so you can post a job on this website, and if you want to make money, you can make money on this website. So as you can see right here, hire many workers, random workers. Do you need 500 likes or 300 followers, 250 sign up? You can run a small job and ask workers to like your Facebook post, watch a video, subscribe to YouTube channel, retweet, follow, install Android app, and much more. Then because we want to make money on this website, so this is what we are going to do. We can perform some simple tasks and get paid. So click here to view more available jobs. So this is my dashboard. By the time that I register with this platform, so this is the balance that I get right now in this very website, and I've just completed 35 tasks here, and I have a pending balance of 578 naira. So the workers that post jobs on this website, as soon as they review my jobs, they will release this money, and it will be in this balance section. So this is how this website is look like. So I'm going to walk you through how to register on this platform and start working right now to make a cool cash for yourself. So let me log out to my account and show you how to register with this very platform. So to create account on this platform, you can enter your first name, last name, username, gender, mail, referral, optional password, confirm password. So because they don't want one person to create two accounts, so I'm not going to sign up right now because it is prohibited in their system. So creating multiple accounts is highly prohibited, one account per person. So to sign up on this website is so easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and log into my account and show you how you can perform tasks in this website. So as you can see right here, I have now come back to my dashboard, So let me click on available jobs. So as you can see right here, this is the types of jobs that you can do on this very website, Sterling Bank. So this one is to download and register with an application. They're going to pay you 150 naira. So this one, PamPay easy, tax fast payment, instant bonus. Register with PamPay 500. And this one, what you're going to do with this one is to join WhatsApp group. So easy. And this one is to just watch a YouTube video, 14 naira. This one is to follow TikTok account, you're gonna get paid 25 naira. And this one too is TikTok 18 naira. So this one too is to join WhatsApp TV, is to message someone. This one on WhatsApp 24 naira, and this one Telegram bot 54 naira, and this one it is an airdrop on Telegram where you can join and get 54 naira. So there are a lot of jobs that you can do on this website in order to get paid. So I'm going to go ahead and just perform one simple task with you live in this video and show you how you can just do it by yourself. So let me change this one. Let me just find an easy one. So this one is to follow, like Instagram. So let me click on this one. It is 28 naira, as you can see right here. What is expected from workers? Click this link and follow the account. Here is the link. Make sure you show me screenshot and tell me the name of the account, and don't unfollow once paid or I will report your account. So what they need if you complete this task is screenshot of when you have liked the page and follow the account and the name of the account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. So this is TikTok, but they have just wrote Instagram. So I need to change that one because my network is so problem now. So I'm gonna go ahead and perform this YouTube subscription. This one is to subscribe a YouTube channel, and I'm gonna get 26 naira. So what they need is to click the link below to subscribe to Remain Humanitarian Organization YouTube channel. Require proof that tax was finished. So what they need is a screenshot of your subscription and your YouTube username for quicker approval. Do not unsubscribe after payment, as your workers account will be suspended. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on this link, and it will take me directly to my YouTube and to subscribe to this channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and screenshot it. So I'm just take a screenshot. So this is the sample that they need. You see it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my proof. So I've already, so boom, I have just uploaded my screenshot. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my username in my YouTube. So boom, so let me just submit the proof. So if you are enjoying this video, please guys, like this video because YouTube will push it to more people and they will benefit from it. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel. There is a link of that particular channel in the description of this video. So in that particular Telegram channel, we share some more ideas that will help you to start up and scale your business in the online space. So as you can see right here, your proof has been submitted and will be verified. So as soon as the owner of this job was approved my job, my money will be in my balance. So this is how you want to work on this very website in order to make at least 3,000 naira every single day. There are a lot of tasks that you can do in this website to make a cool cash for yourself. And let me show you where you can put your accounts information that you can withdraw your money directly into your bank account. So let me click on this wallet section. So as you can see right here, if you want to withdraw, this is where you want to click withdraw earning. So for me, I have already entered my bank detail. So if you didn't register with this website, they will ask you to input your bank details. As soon as you reach the withdrawal threshold, they're going to send you your money every Friday, and the minimum withdrawal in this website is 2,000 naira. So that is it. And then what you are going to do is to make more money on this website. Let me show you. As you can see here, we have two types of tax here. We have most recent and the highest paying. So what you are going to do, if you want to get some tax with a high paying, you can go and click on this highest paying. So you see this one 500. So those are the tax that will give you more than what you expect. So they're going to pay you high, not something error. They're going to pay you from 100 to 12. So if you doesn't have a side hustle, so these naira workers will help you to make money online in Nigeria, at least 3,000 naira every single day with no investment. So if you found this video very helpful and very valuable, please guys, like this video and subscribe to your boy's channel. Turn on the bell notification so you do not miss any of my videos, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel where I share different ideas and strategies that will help you to make more money in the internet. And don't forget, I'm going to leave the link of this particular website in the description of this video. You can click on it, register, and start making your money right now. And don't forget, if you have a question, you can ask me in the comment section below. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Peace out.